Hi everyone, in front of me I've got BLACKVIEW Tab 13 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. Let's tap on this app and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on backup and simply tap on add account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection that is required. And here from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it, because it will be autofilled. So here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it. And here you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. And here we've got the information about the backup, so you can use 15 gigabytes of the Google account to back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, you can tap on more details to learn more. You can manage your backup whenever you want to. It will be, of course, backed up. The information will be backed up automatically whenever you will be connected with the Wi-Fi, and will store it securely. So let's simply tap on turn on, and here we've got another section. So here you can check how much what has already been backed up. You've got advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off. Here you've got the account storage, so you can always check how much space you've got left. And to finish everything, just tap on backup now, and as you can see, your device is backing up your data. Of course, you have to confirm it with the screen lock. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.